Hi there, welcome back to Sean's Kitchen. Today we're making a rich and indulgent Paneer Ghee roast packed with aromatic spices. Let's dive right into it. We'll begin by preparing a spice mix. In a pan, we'll add half a tablespoon of coriander seeds. Along with this, we'll also add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of methi seeds, half a tablespoon of fennel seeds, half a tablespoon of peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, and 1 cinnamon stick, along with 6 dry red chilies. We'll dry roast these on a low flame for about 4 minutes until they release a lovely aroma. Once done, set the roasted spices aside to cool. Once the spices are cooled, transfer them into a grinder jar. To that, we'll also add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice, 1 medium-sized onion, and 1/4 cup of water. We'll then grind everything together into smooth masala paste and set it aside for later. Now, we'll heat up a pan with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is melted and hot, toss in 1 sprig of curry leaves and let them fry for 30 seconds on low flame. After 30 seconds, add the ground masala paste to the pan. Stir it well into the ghee and let it cook for about 4 minutes so all the flavors get a chance to blend beautifully. Next, we'll add 200 grams of paneer to the pan. We'll gently mix the paneer into the masala, making sure it's well coated. We'll also add the salt as per taste and let it cook for another 5 minutes to allow the paneer to soak up all the rich and flavorful masala. For the final touch, we'll add 1 teaspoon of jaggery and 1 teaspoon of lime juice. We'll stir everything together and let it cook for another 3 minutes on low flame. And there you have it. Your mouth-watering Paneer Ghee roast is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Sean's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.